Hi, everybody. I hope you're doing great. Now, listen, the reason why I'm smiling like this is I got yesterday 30 plus 40, 70 super likes. And people are saying, but how did you do that? Well, you know what? I'm consistent. I applied to be an ambassador, which I am now, an official ambassador, and I'm an official content creator. I've got a fan page which is on Facebook, and that is where I'm monetizing, because once you apply as an ambassador, which you can go and find out under your settings, under about and support, it's all there. Just like I had to figure it out for myself by going through the app, going through all the settings. That's how you find out. Then when you qualify and you become an ambassador, you open up a Facebook fan page. Okay, right, that is the requirements. But there is so much perks for being an ambassador, and I'm super excited that I'm one, because I'm loving this. Not only is my followers like 5 away from 4,000, I'm like super excited that I've never seen any other platform grow like this. I've never seen any other platform do what this Wayful platform is doing. So friends, if you are hesitant or you're thinking, well, let me tell you something. I've been in digital marketing 2 years, and I've yet to find an app like this that is just for engaging. I'm monetizing. My followers are growing. My stats are through the roof. This is an opportunity for you. You have to be consistent. You have to keep putting in the effort, and you have to keep on doing your content. Okay? So, all of you have a super, super day. Love and peace out.